Today I will show you how you can install VS Code editor and practice your programming language. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Now type VS Code download and then press enter. Now click on this first link and here you will see all operating system like Windows, Linux and Mac. Just click what you use. In this case I am using Windows, so just click on this Windows and here you will see thanks for downloading VS Code and wait for some time. It will automatically start downloading here as you can see. So wait for some time until it's not completed. Now as you can see downloading successfully. Just click on this and click on run and then accept the terms and condition agreement as you can see. Now click on this next and check all these tick marks. So just click on this and check all boxes. Okay, so again click on next and verify all settings, then click on install and wait for some time. Now as you can see our VS Code successfully installed in our Windows operating system. So just check this box and click on finish and it will automatically launch VS Code editor as you can see. So wait for some time. In our upcoming videos I will show you how to install different extensions like JavaScript, Python, C++, HTML and so many useful extensions to boost your productivity in programming language. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.